Hello everybody, my name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders and I would like to do a recap for you today. It has been a while since I've done a recap on the Bear Bull Traders YouTube and I was really excited to have the opportunity to do one for you today. Now today's overall recap is going to have a theme, as my recaps often do, and that theme is patience is a virtue. Now, one of the things that I find is the hardest thing for any trader out there to do is actually nothing. Either once you're in a position, sitting on your hands and not messing with the position until you find out if you're right or wrong, or sitting on your hands to wait for a better opportunity to get into a position. Right now, if you look at my screen here, you'll notice on my 1 minute chart here that I have a trade on Apple. Apple ended up buying or selling a lot right at the open and squeezed up a little bit, and then the volume died dramatically as we went up into R3. Now, for those of you who follow Camarilla pivot points, I like to start shorting around R3 on the intraday and start looking for moves back to S3. I went ahead and got short because of the VPA anomaly, but then found myself stuck in a position that otherwise had pretty much lost volume. Now, down at my daily chart, you're kind of getting an idea of why that might be. You can actually see here we're at S4 and teetering right on the edge on my daily chart. So we're basically stuck right between a buying area and a selling area on the daily chart. And sure enough, chop is more likely in this scenario. And sure enough, of course, I'm caught in that chop. But thankfully, by being patient and just holding on to this position, my stop being just above 186.75, I was able to get a very nice profit ratio on this trade, and I'm still holding to what I think will be a greater move down eventually. Now, while I was waiting in that trade and got to a little bit of profit, I actually noticed that Amazon was in a much better position to play. Under R3 on the daily, it was firmly in a selling range, and messing around under R3 on the intra-daily, it was also in a selling range on its intra-daily. So this one gave me a much better opportunity, and as we squeezed back up on low volume back to R3, I went ahead and went short and then got profit back at value, and now I'm holding also for what will be a greater move down. So I've taken two trades today. Both of those trades ended up being profitable, and I'm over goal. But for many, today would have been considered to be a harder trading day. It's a harder trading day because in order to be successful, you had to be willing to do nothing. I hope this is a great recap for everybody. If you're out there in YouTube, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. We will be having more content like this coming to you over the next couple of weeks. And if you have the opportunity, please come by the Bear Bull Traders chat room and hang out with us and talk a little bit. I hope you all have had a great trading week, and I will see you all around soon. Talk to you later, and as always, keep it green. Thanks.